Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to discuss the unsigned long integer data type in C. So I've already created a comment at the top about what this video is about, and I've included the header file. So let's get started on the main function. So I'm going to create my main function here, and I want to make a comment that this data type accepts values from 0, because it's unsigned, it's non-negative, to 4,294,967,295. Okay, to use the unsigned long integer data type, we're going to declare a variable with unsigned long int, then the name of the data type, let's call it other planet age. And then we'll set other planet age equal to, well, let's set it equal to the largest number. So 4,294,967,295. And to use it in a printf statement, we do something like printf planet z's age is, and then we do a percentage, then LU, and then we can end the sentence with the period, do a /n to get down to the next line, and we want to pass in our variable, so the other planet age, and at the end of this function we'll return 0, and that's pretty much it for using this function. So let's save it, and for using this data type for now. Let's save it and let's compile this. So we'll compile this into a program called unsigned long int. Okay, everything compiled successfully, and let's run it, and you'll see that it prints out planet Z's age is 4,294,967,295. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.